Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Way to Learn. I am Shalja Tripathi and today's topic of discussion is excretory system. So let's get back to the topic, remain focused and follow the lecture. This lecture will also be in Hindi to benefit most of the students. Okay, the excretory system, let's understand what is excretion. Excretion is the removal of metabolic waste from the body. So the process of removing metabolic waste, mainly nitrogenous waste from the body, is known as excretion. So first thing you must understand what is metabolic waste. Metabolic waste means the waste that is generated during the various physiological processes that are going on, like various types of reactions are going on in the body. So during the reaction, the byproduct that is formed and that is not needed by the body or that is poisonous to the body must be removed. So those byproducts are called metabolic waste that is generated in the cell during some chemical process that is going on. So one question is often asked, what is difference between excretion and defecation? Excretion and defecation. So one must understand that excretion is the removal of metabolic waste, while defecation is the removal of undigested food in the alimentary canal. So and defecation is a passive process, whereas excretion is active process, that is energy is required. तो ये दो डिफरेंस आपको समझना चाहिए. एक्सक्रीशन का मतलब है रिमूवल ऑफ मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी एंड डेफिकेशन का मतलब है रिमूवल ऑफ अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड फ्रॉम द बॉडी. सी it helps to maintain homeostasis of the body. Homeostasis का मतलब क्या है? Homeostasis मतलब टू मेंटेन द इंटरनल बॉडी बैलेंस. तो हमारा बॉडी का जो इंटरनल बैलेंस है वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए, और ये इम्पॉर्टेंट इसलिए भी है क्योंकि ये सर्वाइवल के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. होम्योस्टैसिस मीन्स मेंटेनिंग. बहुत चीज़ें आ जाती हैं जैसे बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करना, ब्लड शुगर लेवल मेंटेन करना, देन बॉडी फ्लूइड का कंसंट्रेशन मेंटेन करना. तो ये सारे जो इंटरनल balance of the body, इसी को हम बोलते हैं homeostasis. Because external environment is changing and to survive the internal environment of the body should remain steady or constant. So excretion is helping to maintain that fluid balance in the body. So human nitrogenous waste is in the form of urea, and it is eliminated as urine. We'll see how urea is formed and where it is formed. See, other nitrogenous waste are ammonia and uric acid. So there are total 3 nitrogenous waste: urea, ammonia and uric acid. Human beings are excreting urea as urine. See, aquatic animals excrete ammonia, which is highly toxic and highly soluble in water. Since their aquatic animals are surrounded by water, so it is easier for them to release or remove nitrogenous waste as ammonia because there is plenty of water. Where in case of terrestrial animals like birds and reptiles, they excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid. Since uric acid is least toxic and least soluble in water as compared to urea and ammonia. So terrestrial animals need to conserve their body water, so they are eliminating or removing nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid. So it's a way of conserving water. So let's see, urea is formed by the breakdown of amino acids. So amino acids that is formed in the body is helping to make protein. And whatever extra amino acid is left, it cannot be stored in the body, hence it needs to be break down. So it is broken down in the liver, and liver first forms ammonia, then ammonia is toxic, so it is detoxified and converted into urea. So extra amino acids are converted into urea, is first converted into ammonia, then detoxified and converted into urea. Liver also detoxifies many other substances like alcohol, nicotine, drugs, or the medicines you take for various ailments. So detoxification carries on in the liver. And urea is poisonous to the body, hence it should not be accumulated in the body. So it is removed from the body, and that procedure or that filtration of the blood takes place in kidney. So our main excretory organ is kidney, which is removing the nitrogenous waste. So there are a pair of two kidneys that are present on the dorsal side or the back, towards the back side. Dorsal means towards the backbone side. So these two kidneys are functioning to filter the blood, and right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. So I'll draw the diagram for you. So you must remember that right kidney is lower than left kidney. This is because there is a large gland which is called liver, that is also present on the right side. So to accommodate that large gland, so right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Now we'll see the organs that are present in the excretory system. The human excretory system consists of pair of kidneys. Right is lower than the left kidney. From the kidney arises a tube that connects to the urinary bladder. So this tube is called ureter. तो ये ट्यूब जो किडनी और यूरिनरी ब्लैडर को कनेक्ट कर रहा है, इसे ही हम यूरेटर कहते हैं. And urinary bladder, here urine is stored and intermittently urine is being removed. Okay, and urine is removed through the outer opening called urethra, and here are circular muscles at the mouth of urinary bladder called sphincter muscles. तो ये सर्कुलर मसल्स बेसिकली ओपनिंग को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट या रिलैक्स करते हैं, एंड इट इज अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ नर्व्स और इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय ब्रेन. सो किडनी फिल्टर्स द ब्लड, प्रोड्यूसेस यूरिन. यूरिन फ्लोज डाउन द यूरेटर. यूरिन किडनी से यूरेटर से फ्लो करता रहता है और ये कंटिन्यूसली फ्लो होता रहता है, और इट इज कलेक्टेड in the urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder is more than half filled, so it gives sensation and the sphincter muscle relaxes. तो यहाँ पे urinary bladder contract करेगा और sphincter muscles relax करेंगे, and the urine is pushed out removed outside the body through urethra. So this small tube is the outermost opening. One thing you must remember, that this ureter tube is coming from behind the urinary bladder and it is joining it at an angle. तो ये आप समझो कि जैसे ये urinary bladder है, ये जो हमने बनाया है ऐसे, तो ureter इसको exactly 90 डिग्री पे ऐसे आकर के नहीं ज्वाइन करेगा. ये इस तरह अगर आप डायग्राम बनाओगे तो गलत हो जाएगा, ठीक है. एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री पे क्या दिक्कत होती है कि अगर यूरिनरी ब्लैडर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है तो यूरिन नीचे भी जाएगा, और इसके लिए दो और ओपनिंग है होगी कि इट कैन बी पुश्ड अप इन दी यूरेटर. तो इस पॉसिबिलिटी को हटाने के लिए यूरेटर क्या होता है, एट एन एंगल ज्वाइन करता है, साइड से आके ऐसे पीछे से ज्वाइन करता है. तो इट ऑल्सो एक्ट्स एज अ वॉल्व, तो वॉल्व की तरह वर्क करेगा. सो व्हेन यूरिनरी ब्लैडर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, तो एक ही पैसेज है, उसको उसके लिए एक ही ओपनिंग है, दैट इट हैज टू मूव थ्रू यूरेथ्रा. तो ये जो बैकवर्ड पुश है टुवर्ड्स यूरेटर, ये प्रिवेंट हो जाता है बिकॉज यूरेटर इज ज्वाइनिंग द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर एट एन एंगल. ओके सी इसका यहाँ पे ब्लड सप्लाई कैसे हो रही है देखते हैं. सी aorta which is the largest artery that will bring oxygenated blood to the kidney. अच्छा किडनी का जो ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट इज 6 to 7 times more as compared to other muscles. See, oxygenated blood is brought through aorta, then it branches into 2 renal arteries. So renal arteries will now enter the kidney and they will further divide inside the kidney. So blood is supplied to the kidney through renal arteries and blood is removed. Here blood leaves the kidney through renal vein. Renal vein, which finally will join posterior vena cava, which carries all the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body to the right atrium of the heart. So this is the complete excretory system of human being, including all the organs, that is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. You also mentioned the blood vessels, renal artery and renal vein. Let's see that besides the main excretory organ, that is kidney, there are other excretory organs which are called accessory excretory organs. So in our body there is a primary excretory organ and an accessory excretory organ. Accessory excretory organs will include skin, lungs and liver. So the question may also be asked on accessory excretory organ. Say liver excretes sweat from the sweat glands present under the skin, and sweat basically contains water, sodium chloride, some amount of urea and lactic acid. Then lungs, it excretes carbon dioxide through the process of respiration. Liver, it breaks down amino acid. So any extra amino acid and protein from dead tissues are broken down in the liver to form urea. So protein metabolism leads to formation of urea. Okay, it also breaks down alcohol, nicotine, bad cholesterol and drugs. Drugs means the medicines that you take during various ailments. So it is also broken down and converted into less harmful substances, or if it is not needed in the body, it is broken down and eliminated from the body with the help of kidney. So our primary excretory organ is kidney, and accessory organs, excretory organs are skin, lungs and liver. Hope you understood the topic well. Please like, share and subscribe and enable the notification bell. Thank you so much.